Good morning, students. In today's class, we shall learn about verbs. You are also familiar with the word verb. And first of all, the definition. A verb is a word which describes an action performed by the subject or the condition of the subject or what is possessed by the subject. So, verb is uh, a word that describes an action done by the subject. Means when the subject does an action, the action word is called verb. Or if something, or what is the state of the subject or condition of the subject is described, then that is also verb. Or the word that shows the possession that the subject has, that word is also called verb. Example: Nirmala rode her new bicycle for hours. Nirmala rode her cycle for hours. The word rode shows an action done by the subject, that is Naina. Naina rode her new cycle for hours. In this, Naina is the subject and rode is the word that denotes the action done by the subject. So, rode is an action word. Another example: Farida is a good singer. Farida is a good singer. Here, Farida is subject and is the word that states what is the condition of the subject. So, is verb in this example. Now, Ram has a big house. Ram has a big house. Ram is the subject. Has is a word that shows the possession of a house by Ram. So has is the verb in this example. Now, verbs can be broadly classified into main verb and auxiliary verbs. The main verb of a sentence can express its meaning independently and it tells us what the subject does, feels, or is. So, main verb can express its meaning without the help of another verb. So, main verb can independently express its meaning, and these verbs tells us what the subject does, feels, or is. Now, example for a main verb: the dog ran across the lawn. Ran is the word that shows what is done by the subject. So, ran is the verb here. Kamala waited for her friend at the mall. Waited is the verb in this sentence. The auxiliary verb in a sentence helps the main verb to express its meaning or to show the tense. Helping verbs are used in a sentence, though a main verb can independently express its meaning. Sometimes helping verbs are also used in sentences along with main verb, and mostly helping verbs are used along with the main verb to show the tense Looking at the helping verb and different form of the main verb, we can identify the tense in which the verb is. Then sometimes helping verbs are also used, or helping verbs also help the main verb to express its meaning. So the common helping verbs used are am, is, are, where, has, have, had, does, did, will, can, should, etc. Examples: Rajni will meet her cousin tomorrow. Farzana is writing an email. Now, the auxiliary verbs be, have, do are also used as main verb. In many cases, used as main verb. Verb be, the different form of verb be are am, is, are, where, was, etc. are different forms of verb be. And verb be is the root form, and in different tenses, is, am, are, where, was, etc. are used according to the tenses, different form of verb be. Now, the verb be is used along with the main verb, or used as main verb to say the state of the subject, the condition of the subject. And different forms of have, has, had, etc. are used as main verb to denote the possession that the subject has. Then do is used as action verb. When these verbs are used as main verb, remember, verb be is used to say the condition of the subject. Verb have is used as main verb to show the possession, and do is used as action verb. So thank you everyone for listening to the video. We shall meet in another class with another topic. Thank you once again.